4 Best Robot Vacuum for Pet Hair 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 4. Smart Robot Vacuum and Mop with Auto Empty Dock. Imagine a home where floors are effortlessly spotless, day after day. Our smart robot vacuum and mop with Auto Empty Dock delivers just that. Boasting a powerful 5,000 pascals cyclone suction and versatile 3-in-1 cleaning, it tackles everything from cereal crumbs to embedded pet hair, even boosting power for deep carpet cleaning. Thanks to laser-precise navigation and intelligent mapping, it glides seamlessly, avoiding obstacles and drops. The tangle-free brush and 3.5L self-emptying station mean up to 70 days without touching a dustbin. Control it your way via app, voice, or remote, and let its 180-minute runtime cover your entire home. Reclaim your time with truly automated, intelligent cleaning. Number 3. Slim Smart Robot Vacuum Mop for Pets and Floors. Tired of tackling pet hair and daily messes? Meet the Slim Smart Robot Vacuum Mop, your ultimate 3-in-1 cleaning solution. This powerhouse effortlessly vacuums, sweeps, and mops, boasting a robust 4,000 pascal suction that conquers pet dander, dust, and debris with ease. Its ultra-slim 3-inch design deftly navigates under furniture, ensuring no hidden corner is missed, while intelligent sensors prevent falls and optimize cleaning paths. Enjoy a truly customized clean with multiple modes, adjustable settings, and an automatic carpet boost for deep pile care. With intuitive app and voice control, plus an impressive 120-minute runtime and auto recharge, achieving a spotless home has never been easier or more convenient. Get ready to reclaim your time and enjoy pristine floors effortlessly. Number 2. Smart Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum and Mop. Imagine reclaiming your precious time from daily chores. Our smart self-emptying robot vacuum and mop is your ultimate cleaning partner, effortlessly sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping your home. With powerful 5,500 pascal suction and intelligent carpet boost, it tackles dirt on any surface with ease. Enjoy up to 60 days of truly hands-free cleaning thanks to its self-emptying base, a game-changer for busy households and pet owners. Advanced LiDAR navigation precisely maps up to 3 floors, ensuring efficient, precise routes without missed spots. Customize cleaning zones, adjust water levels, and control everything via app or voice, Alexa/Google Assistant. This 4-in-1 marvel navigates obstacles seamlessly, delivering a consistently pristine home with minimal effort. Number 1. Hands-free robot vacuum mop for pets and home. Tired of constantly cleaning up after pets and daily life? Meet the J10 hands-free robot vacuum mop, your ultimate solution for a pristine home. Boasting an impressive 4,000 pascal suction, it effortlessly tackles pet hair, dust, and debris across hard floors and carpets with a quiet, 3-level clean. This smart 3-in-1 powerhouse sweeps, vacuums, and mops, delivering a truly comprehensive clean. Control is at your fingertips. Schedule cleanings, adjust modes, or set suction from anywhere via the app, Alexa, or remote. Intelligent sensors navigate around obstacles, while the carpet power boost automatically deep cleans rugs. With up to 120 minutes of runtime and auto-charging, the J10 ensures your home stays spotless, giving you back precious time. Experience effortless, clean living. So, that sums up my 4 best robot vacuum for pet hair. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great day.